So outside of Boston, I hear about this joint that's doing killer barbecue, some awesome gumbo, and real deal fried chicken. This is Highland Fried. What kind of restaurant is it?
Barbecue, fried food.
Yeehaw!
It's Southern with a twist.
Whatever it is, it's definitely clicking, or should I say clucking, with Chef Mark Romano.
I have another restaurant in Somerville. We started doing fried chicken, and we won like best chicken in Boston. And now, since I bought this place, we just kind of wanted to focus on the fried chicken.
This fried chicken is great on its own, but when you add that Nashville hot sauce, it takes it to another level.
I don't know what they're doing to these birds, but it's really good.
Let's get on the train to Flavortown, baby.
Okay. We're gonna make our brine for our Nashville fried chicken. So we got water here, that's salt, hormone-free, all-natural chicken.
Do you freeze it?
No, it's fresh. It just crosses the road. Anybody?
And we're gonna add buttermilk to it. Let that sit overnight.
The next step is
Our dredge. All-purpose flour, cornflour, cornstarch, salt, black pepper, ground coriander, celery salt, Old Bay seasoning. Add our buttermilk chicken, let it rest for at least a half hour, and then we're gonna put it in the pressure fryer.
that's a culinary submarine in the Flavortown Navy. Ooh,
I love it.
let's make the Nashville hot.
Guajillo chilies, anchos, Scotch bonnet, habanero chilies, Trinidad scorpion peppers, our secret weapon, Carolina Reaper. Really
I'm
hot.
sorry, who's gonna eat this sauce?
Brown sugar, some salt, paprika, cayenne,
Cayenne is like a dinner mint compared to the
dark chili powder.
chicken stock, and we're just gonna let this sit here and simmer.
I'll let this reduce by half.
All right,
We have some Dijon mustard. Puree it with some chicken fat and duck fat and whatever else kind of fat we can
whatever
find.
fat you find.
Yeah.
That's a paint remover.
We got a shake too.
A Nashville hot shake?
All those dried chilies with a little bit of brown sugar, and we hit that powder on top of the chicken.
Oh, I thought you meant like a shake, like you drink like a milkshake.
No, it's like a spice shake.
I was like, there's no way I'm drinking that.
What are we gonna serve alongside the chicken?
Our buttermilk biscuit.
What's the biscuit magic?
We're gonna make our dry mix. All-purpose flour, vegetable shortening, salt, a little sugar, baking soda, baking powder.
This is gonna go get frozen. Then we're gonna take it, incorporate it with the butter.
Grated and frozen. You want to keep it as cold as possible, so when you bake off the biscuits, they go this way, as opposed to this way.
Got it.
And then we've got some ice cold buttermilk. We're gonna roll it out 3 times. Fold it once over
This
here.
is kind of your lacquering that happens when you're doing the croissant.
So that's 2 times. One more time, and we're gonna be good to go.
There we go. Yeah, it's a half-hour show. Welcome to the biscuit hour. It's Guy and Hunter.
time.
Freeze them again. Bake them off at 350.
That's it. Got our Nashville hot sauce right here. We're gonna put our 3 pieces in. Take our little shake here.
Put a little more ha 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 ha.
And on the biscuits, we're gonna take a little butter and a little drizzle of honey. There you go. 3-piece Nashville hot with collard greens.
How we looking?
Look good. You get really good heat, not screaming heat. Getting a little.
My eyes are watering.
You watching me and Marley again?
Marley and me?
That's what I thought. I like the balance heat. Not too over the top. A little bit of sugar and that helps. It's lighting you up.
Delicious though. Crunchy, juicy.
You've done such a great job putting the brine on this. There's a lot of moisture in there.
Fried chicken dance.
Flaky biscuit.
Super fluffy and airy.
That's delicious. I mean, like,
Appreciate it.
We're getting some to go.
without question.